Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a judge exam. First, begin by thoroughly understanding the specific legal areas and procedural rules relevant to your jurisdiction. This often includes civil procedure, criminal law, evidence, and constitutional law. Dedicate at least 2 hours daily to reviewing foundational legal principles and their historical context. Familiarize yourself with the exam's format, which typically involves essays, multiple-choice questions, and practical scenarios, by analyzing past exam papers. Next, dive deep into core legal principles. Analyze landmark cases to understand how judges apply legal theories to factual scenarios, focusing on the reasoning behind decisions. Rigorously study judicial ethics and professional conduct guidelines, as these are crucial for demonstrating your understanding of a judge's role. Dedicate significant time to mastering procedural rules, including both civil and criminal procedure, as these form the backbone of courtroom operations. Aim for at least 3 hours of focused study on these areas each day. Now, let's talk about practice and application. Regularly practice writing clear, concise judicial opinions, focusing on logical reasoning and proper legal citation. Engage in mock exams under timed conditions to build stamina and refine your test-taking strategies. This helps you manage your time effectively during the actual exam. Discuss complex legal issues with peers or experienced mentors to gain diverse perspectives and deepen your understanding of nuanced legal arguments. Aim for at least 1 full mock exam per week in the final 2 months. Finally, let's prepare for exam day success. Develop a strategic approach for managing your time during the exam, allocating specific minutes to each section or question. Read each question carefully, identifying all key issues and sub-issues presented before formulating your answer. Maintain a calm and focused mindset throughout the entire examination, taking short, mindful breaks if needed. Trust your preparation and approach each question with confidence. Remember, thorough preparation is your best asset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.